Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Want this CC? Let's start the tutorial. Open Alight Motion. Click on the plus sign and select the rectangular shade. Now click on the plus sign again and select the circle shape. Go to Color and select the black color. Go to Effect and click on Add Effect and add Blur Effect. Then set the strength to 000. Go to Effect, then click on Add Effect, and click on Color and then add Saturation/Vibrance Effect. Now increase the saturation to plus 49.5%. Click on Add Effect, and then add Gradient Overlay Effect. For Color 1 select White Color, and for Color 2 select Black Color. Set the alpha 44.8%. Now go to Add Effect and then add Exposure Gamma. Increase the exposure to 0.68. Click on Add Effect and then add Highlights and Shadows. Set the highlights 113% and shadows 88%. Click on Add Effect and then add Light Glow Effect. Set the diffusion to 000 and set the threshold 0.969. Choose white color. Click on Add Effect and add Sharpen Effect. Set the strength 0.62. Click on Add Effect and then add Light Glow Effect. Set the diffusion to 000. Choose white color. Click on Add Effect and add HD or Quality CC Effect. Set the strength 100. Go to Add Effect and then add Color Tune, and do as I do. Click on the plus sign and select the rectangular shape. Go to Add Effect and then add Copy Background Effect. Click on Add Effect and add Stretch Segment. Go to Add Effect and add Blur Effect. Set the strength 0.175. Click on Blending and Opacity, and then go to Lighten and choose Screen, and then set it 25%. Crop this. Now add the overlay. Click on Blending and Opacity, and then go to Contrast and choose Overlay and set it 63%. Finally, we are done. Thanks for watching.